fast. So
Cool.
put it on one of them.
It would make more sense to put it on like the splitter somewhere.
You have it in the front. You have a sticker that literally says what it is. It's fast, okay?
APR.
Alright, you got.
Where does this come out?
Huh?
You trying to take that off too?
Oh. Hi. You have a JDM grill, right?
How much was that? You're trying to.
Just stating facts.
He's like, yeah.
How much was that? It was $100.
Go, Sam.
I never noticed it.
Next.
Oh, because
Oh.
Alan likes the JDM grill. He just never noticed it.
It's like $100.
I forgot how big this part is.
Not anymore. It's been.
Alright, are you gonna go buy the plastic thing?
What about something?
The trim? We got the trim. Over there.
I mean, I was going to just off the exits right there. I mean, realistically, the backside doesn't need to be doesn't need to trim. It just needs to be. All this taping I did at work is going to pay off.
You tape at work, that's all you do all day?
And I'm bored.
You wasting supplies at work?
Company supplies.
No, we have to tape.
You just
When you say when you're bored, you.
Yeah, when I'm bored because I have need to do
Hey,
something.
you should tag Nintendo in this video.
I'll do it.
Sponsored by Nintendo.
It doesn't look even. It doesn't
not.
look straight.
This one's hella crooked.
Well, how far up did you go on this one versus that one?
Yeah.
I didn't measure how far up.
Sam.
This
You
one's
just
going
said
like
you
that.
measured.
No, I didn't measure going in.
It's like 11 and a half. And this
8.
is 10.
Oh.
Okay.
Or just take that piece off.
Hey, Master Alan.
Oh no, I'm here again.
What?
It's supposed to be over there.
What?
Does that mean this angle is off? Huh?
So...
Think about this precision engineering.
I came over for this shit.
Yes, this is the highlight of the week, man. We're cutting into an expensive splitter here. What was that one thing you linked earlier, specifically for the WRX?
Yeah.
And what is this? What is this part then?
I mean,
The splitter.
this one's made for the WRX too.
Oh.
It's these are meant to be cut up. So you can buy it pre-cut, or you can cut it to whatever spec you want.
Okay.
So
That's why I was a little confused there.
yeah, that's why. Realistically, they're the same price. So why not get extra carbon?
Ah, that's the
Right.
thought process. Okay.
To make some snacks.
All right.
No.
Who you about this used?
There's that. Too.
Act like you got that goddamn choice.
Okay. So we're using a Dremel. Is Sam cutting or you're cutting?
I'm not cutting.
Sam's cutting.
This is
Okay.
too expensive.
Ooh,
This is too expensive.
this nice APR part.
I'll cut into my car though.
That's the Andrew's one.
Cut the shit out of Andrew's car. Safety first, kids.
It's okay. You got polycarbonate glasses on.
Oh yeah.
See how many
You're the only guy I know that puts that on backwards.
Alright.
Cartoons.
What's that?
Yeah, pretty much.
Olsen? Do it.
Oh geez.
The angle is a little hard.
Alan got it.
You having too much fun, Alan?
Is it exciting seeing someone cut up an expensive splitter?
Nice. I think it's funny.
More power, Sam.
Oh shit.
Jeez.
How to put it back together?
Oh man, it's a $200 splitter now.
Dang, you lost half of it. Hey, look, it just rolls out the way.
Thank you.
So now that you cut the splitter,
I
you
need
can.
12. I forgot. It's a 12. It's a 12.
Didn't we go over this? Yeah. Now that we cut the splitter, we can put this OEM thing
Splash
back
guard.
on.
Splash guard.
Splash guard. Yes. Because that was hitting the splitter before and making it bow upwards.
And also damaging the carbon. But all the damaged carbon has been removed, like cancer.
So there's actually pre-cut versions, right?
Yep.
But Sam is smart.
I found a.
He bought the one with more material because they're the same price, and then we cut it,
Well,
and now we're gonna use it.
It was
Okay,
used.
okay, it was used.
Yeah.
This is gonna work, right?
Yes. 100%. I don't even know what the hell y'all did.
Make sure you put the harness out of the way.
Hung up the harness.
Sam has some things to say about that. So then,
Mine's just hanging on the floor.
Yeah, I guess it's better. Like it doesn't point up as much.
yeah.
But I think that was fixed yesterday too, though. Well, at least now with actually everything on there. Drop it down all the way.
What are your thoughts on this splitter mod thing?
Well, I got this big rectangle piece.
That's what you got out of it.
Yes.
But do you think it at least looks better?
Yeah. There's no bowl. Like it's definitely straighter on. I mean, it's pointed up still, but that's nothing I can
Hold
do
on,
right
the real
now.
question is splitter rods or not?
What are you doing with this?
I'm gonna make some parts out of this. Tune in next time to find out.
Oh, that's it? Is that it for today?
That'll be it for today.
Yeah. I guess next time we'll make a rear
Big parts.
splat.
Splat.
Splat. Yeah. I mean, I guess it looks better. I know we didn't show the before shot, but
Probably should wash my car though.
it's definitely a lot better. Yeah. You gonna wash your car?
You wanna wash your car?
I don't know.
I was just gonna move my car out behind yours anyway.
Yeah. So, was that your second mod?
Second mod. I mean, that was part of a mod.
Okay.
It was a modified mod.
Yeah. There will be more to come on that Subaru.